Okay, from where'st we came, down, out up onto this ridge, then we went up the valley, across the stream, up along this trail, and all the way up like that, and then we came up here, and then I'm going to pan left to the upper falls and down to the lower falls. These are the falls we saw from the road, and then panning down into the bottom of the canyon. It is absolutely terrifying here. And then I'm going to pan up, 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 up to the road where we were. What's that?
Did you get movies to the falls?
Yes. So there, the road went all along that ridge, all the way up, trying not to pan too fast, all the way up this way, and then over there, I'm back down the trail a bit. Over there is where those stairs with logs in the... Wow. Hiking down to the south edge of the brook that makes up the waterfall, on our way back to the car. Now here's a common thing with trails in Hawaii. This goes steeply downhill and then goes through, across part-time stream bed. This is looking way down, 25-30 degree angle, and there's the trail on the other side, lower than us, that actually goes uphill. Something I do not like about Kaua'i is the helicopters.
Noise pollution.
Well, I'm not going to get a picture of it, but you can sure hear it. And you can smell the exhaust.
Oh, really?
Yeah. The trail out of here after we cross over the brook. Oh.
There's some kind
well,
of
she's honey honey. Tell her honey honey.
Honey honey.
Oh. Honey. No?
Don't mind you.
Alright.
Australian Shepherd and Border Collie.
Australian Shepherds.
Okay.
But at the wide range. That happens in the when you have a lot of crossbreeding.
Lovely. Lovely. Hello, Mrs. Lovely.
That's Princess Santiago. That's Princess Santiago.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.